Welcome to my channel, and if y'all are interested in how I got this look, then keep watching. So welcome back to my channel. I am back with another YouTube video, and as you read by the title, then you already know that today's video is a hair collab. I collabed with WestKiss hair. They sent me a 26-inch 13x4 lace front wig. The cap size is medium. The hair density is 200. It is very thick. It came with a scarf. It came with a bag to carry the hair inside. It also came with a band in case you want to tighten it. It came with eyelashes. It came with another scarf, and it also came with their business card with their information and coupons on it. And the hair is pretty long for 26 inches, so it comes with a big bonnet. So, when you need to shower or whatever, you could take care of that. Now, the picture on the website, the wig is like brown, like more skin, like more brown. This wig is more of like a 27 or a 30. It's more like a light brown. It's not the dark brown that was on the picture, but I do like the color. I was really excited to install. So y'all, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. I really enjoyed collabing with WestKiss. I really enjoyed this wig. I really enjoyed this color, this install, everything. If y'all do like this wig, y'all can go get this exact wig. It will be in the description box. Everything you need to know from their website, email, Instagram, everything, sis. So yes, go shop with them if you are interested. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, sis. Period. Don't forget to go watch the rest of my videos if you already haven't, because what is you doing? You're missing out. But the only bad thing about this wig was the back. The cap size was a medium. I probably should have got a small so that it could have fitted more. But other than that, that was it. It was a little longer than 26 inches for sure. But yes, I'm loving the color on me. I'm loving the color on my skin. Like, period.